Guys, today we're doing a review on the Quick Detailer by Detail Medic. It is a waterless car wash that you can just throw in your trunk, and if you want to get ready for a car show or anything like that, just pull it out, wipe down your car, and we will give a demonstration on how to use it. I've been using this product for about 2 weeks and I absolutely love it. I keep it in my trunk, and whenever I'm going to a car show or anything like that, I'll just come out, spray down whatever area or the whole car. You can take this towel that you can get separate on Detail Medic. It is a nice, thick, dual-sided microfiber. Take it, wipe it down, and then flip to the other side so you can get that dry side and get all the dirt and everything off, and you have a nice clean quarter panel. Now we're going to go ahead and hit the rest of the car, and I'll show you the aftermath. Finished up using the quick wash from Detail Medic. As you can tell, left me with a nice shiny car, and I highly recommend it. Quick and easy and worth your money.